Muvoni Weltex is an industry leader in the planning, design and construction of underground duct, pipe and/or cable infrastructure systems for both the telecommunications industries and utilities. Muvoni Weltex constructs trenches which accommodates and conceals these resources, both protecting the customer's valuable assets from thieves and vandals and ensuring efficiency and safety for the system. Very little input is required from the customer as we are well equipped with the necessary plant, high-quality equipment and technical expertise required to meet customer specifications. The company furthermore offers delivery of service in the best timeframe currently available in South Africa. Muvoni Weltex combines the latest technological innovations to construct trenches and laying ducts, cables or other utilities. At all stages in the process, the relevant road authorities are consulted and Muvoni Weltex complies with all given standards, specifications and regulations. The administration of traffic around the affected areas is furthermore managed proactively and effectively. The company's high-quality equipment and expertise ensure a host of benefits, such as quick and therefore cost-effective service for our customers and less inconvenience for the greater public. The process requires skilled labor, which Muvoni Weltex trains, hence adding value to the human resource base in South Africa. The task of constructing duct, pipe and/or cable infrastructure systems is done in various stages. The first of these is completing the relevant surveys. Muvoni Weltex is able to prevent damage and disruption to existing underground services and utilities by performing a ground-penetrating radar survey. The advanced radar equipment that is employed is able to accurately and reliably detect buried services up to a depth of 2 meters and hence prevent their disruption. Muvoni Weltex deploys skilled teams to walk the customer's route using this GPR survey equipment. The findings from the radar equipment are then electronically collated, interpreted and mapped for the purposes of route planning and future reference. Consultation with the relevant road authorities for the trenching process always takes place to ensure compliance with their requirements. An advanced system of mini trenching follows the surveying and marking off of the customer's route. Mini trenching entails excavation of a trench that is 100 millimeters wide and 450 millimeters deep in the carriageway of the road. The duct, pipe or cable configuration within the mini trench will vary, depending on the customer's specific needs and application. Muvoni Weltex's mini trenching technique reduces the volume of excavated material, ensuring that little or no decompression of the road layers and surrounding soil occurs. The company makes use of this innovative trenching mechanism as it maintains the original design strength of the road and the integrity of the different road layers and enables fast rollout of the system. A convoy of excavating machines are employed in order to increase the speed of the trenching process. The specialized equipment utilized for the mini trenching has an onboard vacuum system which is able to collect the waste material created during the process. The equipment is furthermore designed with environmental concerns in mind, as it is equipped with noise suppression technology together with dust filters which prevent both noise and air pollution. The duct is then delivered to site and deployed from purpose-built trailers to allow for the simultaneous laying of up to 4 different ducts into the trench. A skilled field crew supervises and controls the process to ensure that the required duct configuration is laid professionally on the bottom of the trench. Power cables and other utilities can also be laid in the trench if required. Once the ducts have been laid, the trenches are ready to be filled. Muvoni Weltex ensures effective management of traffic throughout the process so as to ensure that minimum disruption is incurred by the public. In order to retain the existing road structure's strength and ensure the integrity of the different layers, the trench is filled with a specially designed mixture. Backfilling, as it is known, involves the use of a backfill mix which has been developed by professional road engineers based on international practices and adapted for the South African climate and road conditions. The nature of the mix used to fill the trenches will depend on the location of the road affected. If the trench falls within a high traffic zone, then a fast drying mix is used. This mix is known as an emulsion-treated base mix and has low water content. On less busy road surfaces, a bitumen-based soilcrete mix is used. The soilcrete mix comprises sieved waste material, crusher sand, 6% cement and 2% bitumen. Once the appropriate mixture has been poured into the trench, it is mechanically agitated so as to eliminate air pockets and to fill all the cavities in the trench, thus minimizing any possibility of deterioration of the road structure and its integrity. In compliance with civil specifications, tests are conducted 2 to 3 days after the filling in of the trenches to ensure that the curing procedure meets the specification requirements. When the backfill mixture has hardened and passed the curing tests, after a period of 2 to 4 days, the final stage of the process takes place. A 200 by 50 mm wide slot is milled out longitudinally over the trench. Waste material is removed and specially adapted asphalt paving equipment applies an asphalt mixture into the slot. The trench is then compacted with the appropriate compaction rollers to form a cohesive and level surface. As has been outlined, Muvoni Weltex has cutting-edge equipment and civil expertise, along with the skilled labor required to construct ducts, cables and utility infrastructure. The company liaises with the relevant road authorities throughout the process and manages traffic in order to facilitate the smooth running of transport at affected sites. The customer is able to rest assured that the multiple facets of the process are in professional hands.